Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bask Bank. Bask Bank is a new online bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. I'm going to be covering the following topics in this video. What is Bask Bank? What are the benefits of using Bask Bank? What are the drawbacks of using Bask Bank? Is Bask Bank right for you? What is Bask Bank? Bask Bank is a new online bank that was founded in 2021. The bank is based in the United States and is regulated by the FDIC. Bask Bank offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. What are the benefits of using Bask Bank? There are a number of benefits to using Bask Bank. One of the biggest benefits is that Bask Bank offers high interest rates on its savings accounts. For example, at the time of writing this video, Bask Bank is offering a 1.5% APY on its high-yield savings account. This is one of the highest interest rates offered by any bank in the United States. Another benefit of using Bask Bank is that the bank has no monthly fees. This means that you can save money on your banking costs. Bask Bank also offers a number of other features, such as free ATM withdrawals, mobile banking, online banking, 24/7 customer support. What are the drawbacks of using Bask Bank? There are also some drawbacks to using Bask Bank. One of the drawbacks is that Bask Bank is a new bank. This means that it may not have as much experience as some of the larger banks. Another drawback is that Bask Bank does not have any physical branches. This means that you will need to do all of your banking online or over the phone. Is Bask Bank right for you? Bask Bank is a good option for people who are looking for a high-interest savings account and who don't mind doing their banking online. It is also a good option for people who are looking for a bank with no monthly fees. However, Bask Bank may not be a good option for people who want a bank with a physical location or who want a bank with more experience. Bask Bank is a new online bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. The bank offers high interest rates on its savings accounts and has no monthly fees. However, Bask Bank may not be a good option for people who want a bank with a physical location or who want a bank with more experience. If you're interested in learning more about Bask Bank, I encourage you to visit their website or check out their social media channels. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Bask Bank. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.